Looking for your next tropical paradise? Welcome to Langkawi, where the sea meets adventure, nature and culture. Touching down in Langkawi, where island adventures begin. From the balcony, a beautiful view of Langkawi sets the tone. Dataran Maha Tower, Kuah Jetty, Langkawi's iconic landmarks by the sea. SkyCab to SkyBridge and Eagle's Nest, Langkawi's ultimate panoramic sky-high view. Gliding through mangroves, scenic waterways, playful macaques, eagle soaring and hidden caves. Kota Mahsuri, where legends live on and Langkawi's history comes alive. Across the paddy fields, Dangau Langkawi, a rustic hut dining experience in the heart of nature. Pantai Cenang sunsets, and the night comes alive with a fire show. Fall Langkawi series coming soon. Stay tuned.